So this is the look that I was able to complete using all Glossier products, and I'm very happy to say that this was using all Glossier products except for 2. I added 2 in there, but like, this is Glossier, and I'm so excited to say that because this is such a different look. This is a full face of makeup. It's a full face of like heavy makeup. It's nice. I'm glad that Glossier is branching out. I know a lot of people had mixed opinions on it. Personally, I am happy and I'm really excited to see how they extend this line. Before I show you how I achieved this look, I am going to give you guys the opportunity to enter in a small giveaway with some Glossier products. They were really kind enough to send me 3 of their new Glossier Play products. But before I received that package, I had already placed an order to purchase my own, and one of those products was a duplicate, so I bought the Niteshine highlighter in Platinum Rose and they sent me one in Platinum Rose, so I will be giving that away along with the skin tint in G6 and the stretch concealer in G6 to not make it so limiting, because I know only a few people would be able to actually use the G6 one. I will give away the highlighter separately, so if you are interested in the highlighter, go ahead and leave your Instagram handle or your Twitter handle, whichever way you would prefer for me to reach you by. Go ahead and leave that down below, along with, obviously, if you would want the highlighter or the stretch concealer and the skin tint combo. So leave that down below. Also, please only enter if you're a US resident. I did a very tiny giveaway a couple of months ago, and 2 of the people that I picked ended up being out of the country, even though I put in my description bar that you guys had to be a US resident. It's just way too expensive for me to ship overseas. And obviously, please go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Don't worry about following me on Instagram or Twitter or any of that. I don't care about that. I just want to make sure that you guys are subscribers so that I'm only giving away the products to subscribers, you know what I mean? All of the rules and everything will be in the description bar down below, so if you are interested, then definitely read up on those before you enter. But anyway, that is everything that I needed to say in the intro, so let's just get started into the look. First, going to start out with my Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I'm going to be cheating just a little bit, and I'm going to be mixing my Glossier Skin Tint in with my new Smith & Colt foundation. Just don't like how color looks on my face with like a very light coverage foundation. I'd like my foundation to be at least a medium coverage, so I'm just dotting the skin tint all over my skin, which has very light coverage, and I'm just taking a pump of the Smith & Colt foundation and then getting that on my beauty blender or my sponge, my Real Technique sponge, and blending it in together like this. If you are interested in seeing how this foundation and other Smith & Colt products perform, definitely check out my Smith & Colt video that I posted recently. I will leave a link to that down below. Now I'm just taking a little bit of my stretch concealer. I'm using the shade G7. G7 is like a good winter shade for me, and then in the summer I'll probably switch over to G6. So I'm just taking some of my WOWDER and I'm going to obviously set my face with it. If you are ever having an issue getting some of the product out of the WOWDER, because I did for the longest time, it was so hard for me to use, just slit a very tiny hole, not even a hole, just like a little line in the mesh part. It seriously helps so much. Unfortunately, Glossier doesn't have a bronzing product, which is really annoying. I really hope that one day they come out with a bronzing contouring product in their cloud paints. I am just taking some of the WOWDER in the dark shade. I think it's a dark deep shade, and I'm just going to be using that as my bronzer shade, contouring shade. It works like a little bit, you know? It's cute. I'm taking just a little bit of the Smith & Colt Built Brow product, and I'm just going to put it on the ends of my brows where I kind of have like some sparseness going on. And then now I'm taking the Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Black, and I'm going to run it through my brows. I wanted to go over the new Glossier Play color slides. They sent me the one in Early Girl, which I will swatch for you now. Definitely not a shade that I will pick up regularly, but I really appreciate them thinking of me and sending it out to me. That was really nice of them. I really was not expecting that. Here's the shade Early Girl. It's this like minty green shade. Maybe I'll find like a use for it one day because it is really pretty and it goes on super, super nicely. The one that I picked out for their $60 kit is the one in Disaster Class. So this is Disaster Class. I am swatching it for the first time right now. Alright, it's kind of like a maroon purple, like eggplant maybe. I'm going to be lining my eyes with this just for fun. Ooh. This is smooth. I'm going to take some of this and smoke it out. I really like how maroon ends up looking on my eyes. I'm totally gonna have to go in with some concealer and like clean that up a bit. I almost want to put some like in the crease as well. So that's what that eye is looking like. These are really super easy to blend. I'm very much enjoying that. I love this liner. I love the shade of it. I am also happy that they came out with eyeliners because I think that eyeliners are really versatile. Like I'm using them right now as an eyeshadow, but you can obviously use them as an eyeliner in your crease. You can use them to do detail work. You can use them in your brows. You can use them as lip liners. They're super versatile. I'm going to take a little bit more of my stretch concealer and shape this a little bit. Not like shape it, but definitely clean it up. Yeah, that looks good. Cute, 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 cute. So next I have the glitter jelly. It also comes with the detailer, which is their like precision tool. So if you look at mine, it looks kind of like the center of it doesn't have any sparkle. Like, I don't really know what that is. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for my chipped nails. So I'm going to apply the glitter jelly in the inner corners of my eyes. Oh, and then I got this one in Phantasm. Oh god, I love it. I love it. Okay, I can see how this might have been a little bit challenging to get smooth, because I feel like when you go over it too many times, it picks up too much of the glitter pieces. Okay, so there totally needs to be a technique. I feel like the, swipe, you should swipe it. That works better. Don't pat it in or else you'll pick up too much product. A lot of people were being kind of like heavy-handed with the product. I think I recommend only getting a little bit on the detail brush and starting out with that. Don't like plop a bunch on your eye. Are these glitters eye safe? I don't know. There's so many fun reflex in this glitter. Like it's all of the colors. I love it. I'm gonna add a little bit of lash slick to my lashes to finish off the look. My camera stopped recording, but The only thing that you missed was I put a little bit of the eyeliner on my not my waterline, but underneath my waterline, and just smudged it out like I did with like the rest of the look. My classic combo, I'm going to mix Storm and Dusk together to use on my cheeks for blush. You know what would be such a cool idea is if Glossier had like something in their store where you can make your own custom cloud paint. So like you can mix the two shades you like together and then they'll tube it up for you and then you can buy it. Cause I would do 3/4 Storm, 1/4 Dusk, and then I would spend money on it. So the next product I have to show is the Glossier Play Night Shine Highlighter Concentrate in Platinum Rose. I liked this shade the best out of the 4 that they had. So that's Platinum Rose right there, and it's really weird for me to do it at this angle, but there's Platinum Rose swatched. She cute. I have used this product a little bit and I really like how it looks. It's very, very pretty. I'm just going to use my Real Techniques brush to blend it out. I'm going to take some up into the brow bone over here. It's pretty blinding compared to their halo scopes. That's really cute, isn't it? I'm very excited to try their new lip gloss out. I got mine in the shade Pony. I think a lot of people got theirs in the shade Pony. I just felt like that's the one that I'm going to be using the most often out of like all of those shades. I wanted something that I would wear every single day. Should I swatch it for you right there? Oh my god, it's really at a weird angle. Oh yeah, I love that. Oh my god, I love it. Do we love that shade or do we love that shade? I was sent the lip gloss in the shade Blow Up. I bought Pony, but they sent me the one in Blow Up. It's really not a shade that I would wear. There it is right now. So that's Blow Up. Holy smokes, I love this look. It's so cute. Basically my whole look is Glossier except for 2 products that I used with Glossier products, so I'm really happy about this. I'm really happy about their new additions to the brand. It definitely makes using their products more versatile. You can come up with way more looks now. I love how everything is looking and sitting on the skin. I think that the eye look is so cool. And the lip gloss feels so good and it looks so good. I am such a huge fan of it. I just want to give a rundown on my overall thoughts on all the products that you get for $60. Plus you do get a sharpener. I am not going to bother opening the sharpener. I'm sure you've seen it. I'm sure you've watched all of the Glossier Play videos by now. But do I think it's worth $60? Absolutely. I think $60 is actually quite reasonable. I was not expecting the bundle to be $60. And when I saw that, I like immediately knew that I should definitely get the bundle. I think each and every product in the bundle you would totally find a use for, and I love how you can customize it to be exactly what you want. Like these products I will use all the time. The glitter is fun. Definitely I wouldn't use it all the time, but I love that they threw it in there as a part of the bundle for something that you can use when you want. This lip gloss I'm going to use probably every day. I'm totally gonna keep it in my backpack and my purse. The eyeliner was so nice. It went on beautifully. It blended out super nicely. I really liked this detail tool. I am very happy that it comes a part of the $60 bundle. I found it to be very useful. Obviously everything else on my face I love. I love Glossier products so much. I have quite a few Glossier videos if you're interested in checking them out. I also do have my rep page. It's glossier.com/reps/Chessie if you are interested in shopping and getting 10% off your Glossier or Glossier Play order. Definitely go ahead and use that link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, and hopefully I see you next time.